Okay, so probably around August timeframe, my husband noticed on my top of my scalp that there was about like a thumbprint of like a bald spot. Didn't believe him, figured it was probably some mistake.
I'm a liar.
But then I looked and it was shocking that was happening. I didn't know what was going on, if it was just gonna come back. So I kind of let it go. And it just got worse to obviously big bald spots, shedding. It was extremely stressful to get ready in the morning. I just brushing my hair, washing my hair, trying to put my hair up to cover everything. It made everything extremely stressful. And so my husband was looking into what we can do about it, found you guys, made the appointment, and I
2 weeks we were in, ready to go.
And I was extremely hopeful, but at the same time it seemed kind of hopeless because it was so bad. So did everything that you guys told me to do. The supplements I think started helping right away. The Head and Shoulders helped right away. And then the procedure was, I thought, a lot easier than I was kind of scared about everything, but it went really well. Wasn't bad at all. I was nervous afterwards that it wouldn't work. I got sick a couple times. I have a lot of stress with a lot of kids, and so I was scared to look forever, right? I wouldn't let my husband look, because I was like, it's probably not happening, so I don't even want to know. And then only about like a couple weeks ago, he finally got me to let him look, and he said it's amazing. It looks so much better.
It was back.
Yeah.
It was gone.
And I still really didn't believe him, but
You had to wait for the doctor to tell you.
So, but I've noticed less shedding. I've noticed, doing my hair has changed because, the little hairs that are now poking up out of my ponytail and stuff. So I can definitely see a difference, and I'm extremely excited to, for this to totally grow back in and just be able to not have any stress about it anymore.
I think I want to add too, I loved our first consultation. We were pretty much sold right there. Thought you guys did a great job at explaining not just, okay, it's a bald spot, let's put some injections, but it was, what's the root cause of that? And I think that was kind of the big thing that sold us right out of the gate. It was a more of a macro approach, all right, let's fix the problem here, but then let's address underlying problems that might be there. So I think that's what really kind of sold us right out of the gate, was all right, let's take the leap and dive right in. And I think we signed up in that first appointment, and 2 weeks later we were here. So it's
the natural approach.
It's been awesome.